In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to our program. In this program, I want to tell you a topic about Mama and Papa. In the first, I want to tell you, did you know why God created mothers? Because God created mothers to take care of each one of us. So He gave us mom. Mom is very kind. She is our first teacher who taught us to walk and talk. Mom is someone who loves us so much, and her love is without any condition. Mom is someone who makes us realize that we are the best and there is no one better than us. Our happiness is her happiness, and our sadness in her sadness. She spends she spends her sleepless nights when we are not well. Mom is someone that we cannot live without. She is everything in our life. But we have Papa who looks after us like our mom, and he is equally good. We should thank God who blessed us, the Mama and Papa. Dear sister and brothers, respect your mother and father, because mother and father is a very best gift from Allah. You respect your mom and dad, Allah will forgive you and happy from you. This is our topic about Mama and Papa. Have a good day. Goodbye.